Hey folks, here's your Formula One racing journalist, bringing you some hot news straight from behind the scenes. Get ready because we've got a real bomb about to explode in the world of F1. Just imagine, a promising driver might be gearing up to take over the spot of the great Lewis Hamilton at Mercedes. That's right, you heard it right. And the name that's circulating is none other than Alex Albon. James Vowles, the head of Williams, came out to comment on the speculations that have been swirling around the paddock. It seems that Albon, currently at Williams, is being considered as a potential replacement for Hamilton, who's packing his bags for Ferrari in 2025. Is that not breathtaking? Now, what's even more intriguing is that Albon's contract with Williams has been the subject of much speculation. But hold your horses. Vowles poured cold water on the gossip and revealed that Albon has signed with Williams until the end of 2025. That's right, he's got the papers signed and stamped. And let me tell you, he didn't spare any praises for the driver. He said that Albon is an incredible talent who deserves his spot in Formula One. Vowles also made it clear that any decision about Albon's future will be thought of in the long term, considering Williams' interests as a team. But here's the big question. Will Albon really take over Hamilton's spot at Mercedes? Or will George Russell, the current reserve driver for the team, manage to maintain his position as the lead driver? Well folks, this story is just beginning to unfold and promises many twists and turns. So don't miss any details and stay tuned for our updates. So, what do you guys think about all of this? Who do you think should take over Hamilton's spot at Mercedes? Alex Albon or George Russell? Comment down below and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the news. And if you want to stay up to date with all the latest Formula One news, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos. Until next time, folks.